Wonder who this box is for, bro. Packed up in his home. I got a donation in my PayPal a day, bro, so I'll be sending this and this and this and this and this. And a few more wee tricks in there for you too, bro. Have to be quiet because the kids are all in bed. But fuck, I can't wait to get this sent over to you, bro. I swear, mate. What you got, bro? It's our wee gift from him. I was hanging up there. There's a clock that I made. That's going for sale, so it is too, bro. The old spirit clock. And then that's my Carbon Fusion original, bro. From our Jordy. Yeah. This is my second clock, bro. I just need to cut out, obviously, in between them pen marks there. But it's all been rounded off and sanded up so far to about 80 grit. It's made in oak, 2 oak planks. You just join the back of it like that. That's where the clock will go through. That allows it to be put on the wall, and then the wee clock bit sits in behind it. So that's the plans. And the centre of the clock comes fucking, hang on, that's where the centre of the clock comes on it, right out of there. But it's a brave size, like, bro. It's the same size as that one. So I've just to finish that one off, which will be getting done very soon, alright, bro. Yeah, bro. You got a big bit of you. Size of my hand. Check out the colours in this, bro. Like that, mate. So I'm just out in the wee shed here. This is where I have all my stash. And I have, this is my U I've pulled out. This is the stuff here with the Viking blood in it, bro. You see here? The colour at. This stuff is fucking unreal, mate. I'm gonna send you this bit over, bro. You can work away with it, mate. Be good, just put it on the wall and you can do what you want on it, mate, sure, but I have this big whack too. That's off the same branch of that. That was off here, sorta. That part of it. It's sort of the same branch. I have that big whack in there. Even in the white wood, bro. The fucking grain in that, mate. Special. So I have that bad boy too. And I have this to get the grain in that, mate. Try and zoom in on that. Look. It's like a fucking salmon. So it's all good, bro. But I'm gonna get this one over here, bro. And like I say, this is really ancient yew wood. I had got it off of mate in England. I have a big whack of redwood there. I have myself too. Right there. It's dense as fuck. There's loads of wee different bits there. Holly. Bits of redwoods and stuff. I'll give you a look at this, bro. Let's see if I get it in the right light. See this here? Check out the colour of that. Give it in the light. The colour of that, bro. It's pink like fucking salmon. I love it. I need to sort this camp out in here. I haven't really been out here from the winter. I have that. That is my big fucking McCoy carving I was doing, bro. That's my second chainsaw carving. Had it in here and give it a wee bit of work, but it's in spalted silver birch. It's going to be beautiful when I get that all sanded up. And then I've got some wee blackthorn there that I'm sanding over to Jordy. Spalted blackthorn. Couple of wee bits for him. It's all good. That's my wee carving station here, bro. That's the one outside. That's right, but do the carvings is where I used to hang my camera. Got my light, got all my shit out here. Got my jaw horse tucked in here. And then I have a big whack of paint my bro got me recently there. For chainsaw carving. A couple of other wee bits there. So it's all good, bro. And a big whack of fucking spruce. I'm gonna use that for chainsaw carving too. And a couple of wee funky pieces there. I have these here for walking sticks, bro. It's a funky piece. And this one here, it looks like a duck's head. It's pretty cool. So it's all good. I need to get in here sorted out. Like I say, I haven't been in here for fucking months, bro. And that's all me you. So I'm gonna get this in. Get her in a box, bro. And I have a couple of wee gifts I'm gonna stick in for you too, mate. But all good. Let me put this big bad boy back up. The colours in that. That's fucking unreal, mate. Look at that. Unreal. So, all good. That is the wee camp. You get all that shit sorted out. Sure, chat with you later, sure, bro. Didn't know I was getting a 5-minute video of this, but sure, it was a wee tour of my outside carving station, bro.